Imagine hurtling through space so fast that time itself begins to slow down for you. From your perspective, everything is normal, but to someone on Earth, your clock is ticking slower, and your spaceship appears to shrink in its direction of motion. This isn't science fiction. It's the strange reality described by Albert Einstein's special theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein proposed a radical new view of the universe based on two simple but powerful ideas. First, the laws of physics are the same for everyone, no matter how fast they're moving at a constant speed. Second, the speed of light in a vacuum is the ultimate cosmic speed limit, and it's the same for every single observer. These postulates have bizarre consequences. To keep the speed of light constant for everyone, space and time must become flexible. This leads to time dilation. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. It's why an astronaut on a near light speed journey would return to Earth having aged less than a twin who stayed behind. This effect is mirrored by length contraction, where moving objects appear shorter. And as an object approaches light speed, its momentum skyrockets towards infinity, requiring infinite energy to go any faster. This relationship between energy and matter is captured in the most famous equation in physics, E equals mc squared. It reveals that mass is a phenomenal store of concentrated energy, the principle behind nuclear power and the sun itself. While these effects are negligible at everyday speeds, they are very real. Our entire GPS network relies on accounting for time dilation to give us accurate directions. Einstein showed us that reality is not fixed, but relative, a universe far stranger and more interconnected than we ever imagined.